International rap sensation Kanye West says he will run for United States president.
I have decided in 2020 to run for president.
When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. The rap sensation Kanye West said that he'll be running for the United States president. Whoa, what a situation coming outside of the United States, and what a news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, Kanye West is an American rapper, singer, songwriter, record producer, composer, entrepreneur, and fashion designer. He has a wide range of influences including hip-hop, soul, pop, electro, rock, and even in recent months, gospel. Kanye West is one of the most acclaimed musicians of his generation. He was born on June the 8th, 1977 in Atlanta, Georgia, United States, and is aged 43 years old. He has an estimated net worth of $1.3 billion. He's also the husband of media sensation Kim Kardashian. Kanye West made the announcement on Saturday that he'll be running for the United States president in 2020 election, an apparent challenge to go ahead with the president Donald Trump. We must realize that the promise of America by trusting God, verifying our vision and building our future, West tweeted. I am running for the United States president in 2020, he states. Fans immediately tweeted their support for the musician and entrepreneur who has a history of promoting himself and his project with political statements. It's not the first time that Kanye West has stated that he'll run for the United States president. How serious is he this time? We wait to see. He has also made a donation of $2 million back in June to the family of George Floyd that was taken out under controversial circumstances. And as you know, the situation that played out with that and the Black Lives Matters movement. So that is just the latest we have to bring to you as it relates to that. So far, it doesn't seem like West is taking the election very seriously, as it's just 4 months away and he needs to register with the Federation of Election Commission and start a present campaign platform, collecting his signature and also casting his ballot. So that's the latest we have coming outside of this story as it relates to Kanye West running for the United States president. What do you think about that? A hip-hop star with a 1.3 billion net worth running for president. Whoa, what a situation that coming outside of the United States. So he has already missed the deadline to cast those ballots in order to run for president. So we're not sure whether or not he'll be able to still cast this campaign and also venture into the presidency run for the year 2020. But as it stands, we'll keep you up to date with these stories on Links 007 TV. But you can just drop it in the comment section. How do you think if he should be successful as the United States president? How do you think this will impact the United States of America? I look forward to hear your response in the comment section. This is Links 007 TV, and we are just trying to divulge the details of what is going on right across the world of entertainment to you, the fans. So guess what? We're out for now for this one. Links 007 TV. Have a blessed and productive day.